Mono arbiga ang mono cappuccino.
Hầu một sự xí xạch. Dạo kia bị bông đeo kia. Anh này còn.
They put there and then you smash. See? They need to smash the yuca. When I say real Siona generation, means that the lady who is going to make the bread today with us, she was living deep in the forest. She was living deep in the forest, wearing typical suits. The typical suit of these people many years ago was the bark of some trees. Sounds crazy, but was the bark of some trees that we have here. They were hunting, fishing, they were nomads. They live in one place for 2-3 years. After 3 years, not enough nutrients in the ground, and then they move to the next place, and then the next place. When they decide to live here is when they get the first contact with the missioners. The missioners came here to the Amazon to help some people, to change some people.
Nice.
Good.
We're following Mama Aurora into the jungle to collect, I think, yuca root, right?
Yuca root, yeah.
Yuca root to make some bread. This is who I want to be when I grow up.
You got it. Oh, that's a big one. The big kahuna. Look at it. Wow. You go, girl. Yeah, champion.
Got my piece of yuca. Into the pile it goes.
Yeah. Mama. Why they change that root for this? Okay.
We're now grating the yuca. How's the work? Hard?
No.
Rewarding?
Rewarding.
Slippery.
Dutch people, Dutch girls.
Should just threw some diesel on that pile.
Really?
Don't ruin my yuca. I'm a stone.
You can help.
Về đó đúng cách.
Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm scared now.
I'm watching you.
Like a soup or something maybe.
Last of the squeezing process.
Oh, don't get me doing
Down
nothing.
to This is where we'll be making the yuca bread. It is getting pretty toasty. Definitely feel it from where I'm standing. It's making me sweat.
Fruits of our labors. It's still dripping. Ah.
So sick that you didn't do a good job.
Cứ to. Đi qua dùm.